Good morning guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. Welcome to the new trading week. Happy Monday everybody. If you guys don't mind smashing that like button, we will go straight over to those charts. Yeah, Bitcoin on the 4 hour, you can pretty much see we are consolidating high in our little consolidation range we've got going on. You can see we did test up overnight up to our level that we need to basically break out and get a continuation. We did get swiftly rejected there. Not a massive move. We're obviously in tight ranges at the moment. But basically what happened here, the futures have opened up pretty well for stock markets. Dollar is trading down as well. So that was kind of the trigger for this to rally. But it obviously decided that it wanted to wait for the actual real cash markets to open before it's going to fully and formally break, if that is what's going to happen. So if we do get continuation when the actual cash markets open, then I think that will be it. We'll get above this level up to 11A and up to basically around 12k over, well, maybe today, maybe the next couple of trading days. Obviously if we do get if stock futures do trade down and we have a down day overall in stock markets, I mean, we clearly can lose this. Obviously 11,400 is not really going to help us out, but yeah, 11.3 would have to hold us. If not, then yeah, we've got 11.2 and then 11k. So we'd have to keep an eye basically. So like I said, it's a case of watching the stock markets and the dollar. So we will have a look at those. And as you can see, this was Friday's sell-off into the close. Pretty much fully retraced that, and also, well, regained this trend line, and also regained this horizontal, more importantly for me personally. Grain that horizontal. So if we can hold back over here, this does actually look like a nice low, higher relative to this low, higher relative to these lows, and yeah, I mean, potential more onwards and upwards. The dollar also looking good for us here. It has lost this trend line. It has lost this horizontal, this important horizontal we were talking about, that we basically need to lose. We don't want to get supported here and start to make our way back up and break this one. We want to lose this, come back down here and start making more progress to the downside. Could be forming a head and shoulders, and then a greater move down to our ultimate target here that we're looking at. Yeah, potentially, because the head and shoulders could pretty much be that, could be the target range, and that's pretty much roughly the distance to where I'm looking at. So yeah, things looking relatively good. Obviously, like I said, we do need to wait till those real markets open up and we see what happens, what the traders decide to do. But at the moment, obviously, this is looking particularly good. This is looking very good as well. Like I said, I do think we're gonna basically probably get stimulus fully and formally announced this week, I reckon, and that's probably gonna get us going. Gold and silver obviously reacting quite nicely as well. Look, nice move up in gold there, nice move up in silver too. So yeah, realistically, we're waiting for those cash markets to open, but tentatively things looking good. We did have a little foray up here based on the futures opens, but I think the market decided, right, we need to see before we go on this big move up towards 12k. We do need a second confirmation, and if we do get that confirmation, I think we'll be off to the races. If we don't, if the markets do have a down day today, remember, obviously 11k is a target for us to come and test and then decide what we want to do at that point. So that is it for this morning, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on today.